Very good morning to all of you. So, as for today's discussion, let us start about the number system. So, it is a very common word. What is number system? In each moment in our daily life, always we are involved with the number system. For example, whether any man or woman may be educated or uneducated, while he or she is purchasing something from any shop, also using the number system. But they don't know what is the number system systematically. But we engineers, we are presenting the number system in a systematic way, and today's aim is mostly to discuss about that number system. So actually number system, before starting the number system, this is our outlines, today's outlines, and in as per our outlines, first of all we complete about the what is number system, where number system and why number system. Then we discuss about the number system classifications, what are the different possible number systems we are using in our daily life, and then how we represent, since so many types of number systems are available, then how we represent to identify one number system to another number system, that should be a format, and that is known as the number system representation. Under this we can be very clear. Then our last discussion will be about the number system. Discussion means what while we are confirm about the various types of number system, under this we discuss each number system one by one. So let us first know what, where and why number system. Then we can proceed. So as for the what is number system, actually number system means it is a systematic representation or quantitative representation of any information or data. Let us take a simple example. We are going to purchase some potato. We are just like defining 2 kg potato. So what is that 2 value? That 2 value indicates the number system, but we don't know what is this type of number system. Particularly this number system is in decimal system. But that 2 is the number system that indicates the quantity of the potato. Suppose you are purchasing oil and 5-liter oil or a 10-liter oil. That 10 indicates a number system, and that number 10 indicates a number, and that number is used for indicating the quantity of our oil. Similarly, if we consider the technical examples, 230 volt, 100 watt, 2 kilowatt, like that, all information you represent quantitatively through this number system. So number system is playing a vital role in our each moment life. Then each number system, actually overall we are telling 5 kg, 3 kg, 10 kg, but technically all the numbers are represented by using some symbols systematically and quantitatively. Then all the number systems also follow some rules. They should not be randomly designed. Then this is one example already we have covered for voltage, current and power. 230 is a number, 230 volts means voltage value, and 230 is here is a number, 15 ampere 15 is a number, 16 watt is for power, and for power amount 60 is the number. Then next, where we are using the number system, technically we take very simple examples, though so many examples are available. These are very simple examples, like computer. We know computer based all systems are using the number system, and you can be very clear from your keyboards. Then in all the mathematical applications also number system is playing a vital role. Then in all types of conversion also you are using the number system. Then any information quantitatively already told. Then why we are using the number system? This is very simple meaning about why we are using. In computer, you know, while you are writing some sentence by using the keyboard, practically within the computer that is converted to a number system known as binary, because your computer cannot able to understand directly that sentence. So in computer or computer based systems like microprocessor or anything, that will all digital devices are using the number system for better communication. Then for better representation also number system is very essential for easy understanding and processing. Then for knowing the limit of any information. For example, you have seen over a bulb simply written 60 watt. So what that 60 watt indicates, the limit of your bulb is maximum 60 watt. Above 60 watt your bulb may be damaged or burnt. So you can be very clear about the limit of that device and accordingly you proceed. Then we know for mathematical operations and for calculations, number system only is the essential platform. Then next we see what are the different types of number system. Basically, as per our diploma syllabus or any BTech syllabus or commonly or basic classification, there are 4 types of number system named as decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So how we represent a number system? That may be any one out of these 4. Actually, all the number systems are represented or identified from one to another by using a word known as radix. Actually, radix is a value or a parameter of each number system that indicates which type of number system we are using in any cases. And before that, we have to know the meaning of radix. Actually, radix is the number of symbols used in a particular number system. For example, in decimal number system, we are using total 10 symbols. Though other number systems were not well known till time, as for this today's discussion, everybody is involved with the decimal number system from class 1 to or class 2. So in decimal number system, total 10 symbols are used for constructing any number starting from small number to or starting from 1 digit number to 100 digit or any digit number. Always 10 symbol you get, and those 10 symbols basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You never get any other symbol in any digit of a number system. For example, 230 volt. 2 is a digit, 3 is a digit, 0 is a digit. All these 3 digits comes under the 10 symbols starting from 0 to 9. So in decimal number system, 10 symbols. Similarly, in binary number system, only 2 symbols are used, that is 0 and 1. That means in binary system, any number can be of any digit, but each digit may be either 0 or maybe 1. No other value here. Similarly, in octal number system, 8 symbols are used and those 8 symbols are 0 to 7. You never get any 8 value in any digit of a octal number system. For example, we take 38, that is not a octal number. 8 is the invalid digit in octal number system, but 37 is a octal, can be a octal number system, because in octal number system total 8 symbols are used. Similarly, in hexadecimal number system total 16 symbols are used for constructing any number. So accordingly, now we can conclude radix is the meaning. Radix meaning is total number of symbols used in a number system. So accordingly, the radix value of different number system is like this. For decimal 10, for binary 2, octal 8 and hexadecimal 16. Then how we write a number system in different, how we write a number in different number system. Basically, a number is represented by writing the number, then subscript radix value. For example, 234 radix is 10, that indicates a decimal number. Subscript is 2, that indicates a binary number, and subscript is 8, that also indicates a octal number. Similarly for hexadecimal number, because in decimal, octal and hexadecimal most of the digits are common. So how we identify, that is how we have to know the representation, and for better identification the subscript indicates the type of number system. Then very simple things about the decimal number system, those though already we have told, then very briefly we can discuss. In decimal number system is a such type of number system that uses total 10 symbols starting from this 0 to 9. Then its radix value is 10 and we can represent like this. Then where we are mostly used in our daily life, always are involved with the decimal number system, like starting from your length and a liquid amount or in any money transaction. Daily life, always in each and every moment, whatever you are information you are putting in a quantitative manner, that is commonly the decimal number system. Then this is your binary number system, and in binary number system total 2 symbols are used and 0 and 1. Its radix value is 2, and examples we can write the binary numbers like this. See, no digit 2, 3 or any, only 0 and 1. Then it mostly used in computer and almost all digital devices. Then this is the octal number system. Accordingly, here octal means 8 and 8 symbols 0 to 7. Radix is 8 and we can write like this. Mostly used in computer application sectors or in aviation as coding system. Then this is your hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, total 16 symbols are used and the symbols are 0 to 9 as usual in decimal number system. But after 9, you never get any 10, 11, 12 like that. Here after 9, the symbols are A, B, C, D, E, F. Then your radix value is 16 and we can represent by using the subscript 16. Then where you are using, widely used in digital system and most commonly your microprocessor based programming, always you are using the hexadecimal number system. Then binary is the computer means binary. So before concluding the number system, binary is the special number system for digital electronics, and as per binary number system, suppose you want to write any binary number by 2-bit, 3-bit or 4-bit, there is a common formula used for that. Suppose you want to write your binary number by 2-bit. How we know how many numbers can possible by 2-bit? And that formula is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of bits. Then here 2-bit means 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. The 4 numbers we can write in 2-bit, starting from 0 to 3 in decimal and in binary 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the 2-bit. Similarly, suppose we want to write our binary number in 3-bit. So n value is equal to 3. When n value equal to 3, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. The total 8 numbers we can write starting from 0. Always 8 numbers means 8 states. And 0 is the initial, that is why you are finishing at 7, not at 8. So in 3-bit we can write total 8 numbers starting from 0 and the corresponding binary values for those 8 are like this. You never write 3-bit binary above this. For 8 your binary will be 4-bit. Similarly, if you want to write the binary in 4-bit, in 4-bit means n value is 4 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. The total 16 states or 16 numbers we can write in 4-bit binary. And what are those? In decimal, these are starting from 0 to 15 and in binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 4-bit binary starting to 1, 1, 1, 1. And if you compare with your hexadecimal, up to 9 same as decimal, then A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the representation, 4-bit representation of binary numbers, because always we involve in digital electronics by binary number system. So always with us the different states of binary numbers in 2-bit, 3-bit and 4-bit for standard. Then above that something different, but standard value should be with us always. For each moment we calculate something or we convert something or we proceed through any theoretical part or any implementation, always these three tables will be essential, and how you remember, you can find out your own way. From my side, very simple format, how you remember. Till time you have not well known about the conversion, how you remember, please see. 4-bit means 16 combinations. Start 8081, then second column 4041 repetition, then 2021 repetition, then 101. This is not a book written formula, and you can how you remember, because your chapter is number system, not number conversion. Next chapter is number conversion. So before that, again also another advice for you or suggestion for you. Suppose you well known about the conversion. Is it possible for any device explanation or for any device design? Always we take the conversion format? No. So how we remember easily and recall the 4-bit binary, 3-bit binary, 2-bit binary immediately. So these three tables will be helpful for you, and you can remember like this. Similarly, for 3-bit, right? 3 total 8 combinations: 4041, 2021, 101, like that. Similarly, for 2-bit, you have total 4 combinations, and those 4 combinations 2021, like that. So this is a very fundamental way how we remember without any conversion 2-bit, 3-bit and 4-bit, so that you can realize how it will be helpful for your entire digital electronics paper to implement anything immediately. So thank you.